Hello.
Hello,
Hi, Nagendra. How are you?
I'm fine, madam. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How many
Thank you so
sessions
much.
have you taken with Lapingo?
I think this is my 11th session.
Okay, and I hope you're seeing improvements.
Yes, yes,
Okay. So, did you go through the session material for today?
yes,
The topic was age, right?
yes.
Okay. So, ready to talk about it?
Yes, sure.
Okay. So, first, now that we're talking about age, tell me what's your age? I mean, if you are comfortable with it.
Yeah, my age is 30.
30. And what, according to you, is the best age to live life?
Like we need to live not I don't know based on like in a childhood is the best like up to 10, like we don't know the pain, like we enjoy, we play games, and
Only
after
up to
that
10.
yeah, after that there is no they send us to school, and they are asking for a marks, and they are putting lot of burdens up to 10, oh, they accept what we have done.
Okay.
Yeah,
And now that you're 30, so what do you think? How has life changed from 10 to 30?
yeah, like yeah, lot of I think growing older, childhood is the best age, but yeah,
Okay, let me reframe
eh,
my question.
yes, yeah, I got that. Like,
Yeah.
yeah, please
So,
reframe once you can repeat the question.
yeah, I was saying, okay, let me reframe it.
Yeah,
So, uh, how do you see yourself at the age of 10 and at the age of 30? How have you changed?
yeah, way of dealing with the people, and got the clarity, like up to now, like I got a full clarity about life and all those things. At the age of 10, like lot of confusion is there.
Okay.
Okay.
And it is usually said, and it is also noticed that people become antisocial as they grow old. Like
Yeah,
as a
yeah.
kid, you must be having a lot of friends, but now you barely have like two friends.
Yes.
Yes. So does that happen to you also?
Yes. Like when I'm in a childhood, like I have a lot of friends.
During my childhood.
So yeah, during my childhood, and after that, growing once I have done once I completed my graduation, like I miss a lot of friends, and I'm focusing on my career and all those things, job only. I'm concentrated on my job only. So
Okay.
yeah, I miss my lot of friends.
I was concentrating. Okay.
Yeah, I was.
Yeah, not I am.
Yeah.
Okay. And do you think it's a good thing, like losing out on friends and becoming more antisocial, isolating
No,
oneself?
no, it is not good thing. We need to mingle we need to rejoin with them. Like whenever we get the time, we need to rejoin with them.
Okay. And
Yeah,
since you said that till the age of 10, it's the best life to live, so do
yeah.
you have any memories you cherish and you would like to share it with me of your
Yes. In
childhood? Yeah.
in my childhood, whatever I want to do, I do it like without any second thought. I do it. I want to play, I play it. Like I want
I
to.
used to do it.
Yeah, I used to do it. Like if I want to play any game, or I want to meet any friend, like I went there and I meet him. If you want to go anywhere, I do that. I went there and yeah.
I used to do that. Okay.
Yes.
You're talking about the past.
Yeah.
I used to do that.
Yeah, I have a lot of courage in the past. If you want to climb a tree, uh, I used to climb the tree without any doubt. Yeah, now, yeah, the age of 30, if you're no, impossible. Climbing a tree is very impossible.
Not really impossible, but if you try, you can
Yeah,
give it a try.
yeah, but like,
It's more scary now.
Yeah, it's more scary.
Okay. So you used to climb the trees as a kid.
Yes,
I
yes, mango trees
unfortunately,
and yeah.
wow. Unfortunately, I didn't have any, such trees or around. Where did you grow up?
In my village only, like yeah, uh, my village.
N- No, no, I mean with state or city.
City means it's a village, like it's there in East Godavari. It
I'm
is,
sorry, I'm sorry. I mean state, not city.
yeah. State
I
means
meant
like
state.
Andhra Pradesh.
Oh, wow. You must be having a lot of trees over there. I
Yes,
have,
yes.
yeah, I've not visited Andhra Pradesh in particular, but I have visited some other states in South India, and you all are like covered with trees, nature.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you're very lucky
Yeah.
in that manner.
I want to ask one thing. Do you have
Yeah.
a personal library in your home?
Yeah, that's my personal library.
Yeah, yeah, like yeah. I like that. Like there are a lot of books are there.
Yeah. Okay.
Very nice,
Thank you.
fantastic. My
Thank you
dream
so
is to
much.
build a library like that.
Wow. I hope your dream comes true, and I hope you have an even bigger library than this.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay,
you.
so it
Like
seems like you, yeah, yeah, what
yeah.
were you
How many
saying?
how many books you completed till now? I think you read lot.
Till now, I
Yeah.
won't say I've read a lot of books. Actually, this is not only my personal library, my family also uses it. So it's like everyone's library.
Okay,
So
okay,
there's a collection of books that belongs to every person.
okay.
My collection is like at the corner. You can't see it on the screen, but it's on the corner, and it's a very like little set. So I have not
Oh,
read a lot of books,
okay.
although I would call myself an avid reader because I like reading. But compared to this, I have a very little set of
Okay.
books. This is Yeah, this is
Whose
my
books?
father's actually.
Yeah, fathers. Okay, okay. Great,
Yeah,
great. I think
yeah,
your family is full of education, like
yeah, yeah.
educators. Great,
Yes.
great.
So I got lucky in that manner.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now coming back to the topic, what are your notions and opinions about old age? Do you think it's a good age to live?
No, no, it's not at all a good age. No one
Why?
cares about like old age people. Like yeah, nowadays, only few people taking care of their parents, and rest of them are not taking care.
Yeah, that's very unfortunate, especially in these days when people have a
Yeah,
job,
yeah.
everyone has a job to do.
Most of them are sent them to like old age homes, and yeah, in the old age homes they are not taking care properly. Yeah, a lot of things
Yeah.
are happening nowadays.
Yes. But in old age homes also, I mean, I have seen this that even if, I mean, the families, I would blame the families that they're not taking care of their parents, the old people in the family. But in the old age homes, the old people together, they have a gala time. They have a very good time over there.
Yes, yes, that is fun part. Like other than that, like sometimes
Yeah.
they're like who are the managing old age homes? Maybe based
The
on the funds only,
caretakers.
caretakers. Based on the funds rising by like um, based on that only they are taking care. Otherwise,
Yes.
they're not taking
That
care
that is
properly.
true. That is true,
Hmm.
and that is very troubling.
Yes.
So, but other than that, old age people are actually very cute people. They have so
Yes.
much to
Yes.
share, and yeah,
Yeah. They have a
the
lot of experiences in their life, and yeah.
experience and wisdom. Yes.
Yeah.
So, do you like spending, or have you spent time with old people?
Yes. Yes. Like I like spending with old people and childrens, not middle-aged people.
Okay, children, not children's. Okay,
Yeah, children.
okay. So, like, are these people from your own family?
Yeah, like most of them are my family, and I talk with random people also.
Okay. And talking about the age group where you belong right now, so what are the benefits of being in this age group and what are the disadvantages of being in this age group?
Yeah, like benefits are like lot of like in the future, lot of time is there to achieve my dreams and goals. And then the disadvantage means like, yeah, like after 10 years or 20 years, I'm becoming older. Yeah, my age is like day by day I'm becoming older. That is the saddening part.
Okay. So, okay, I understand. Still, in your age group where you are, you still have a lot of time to enjoy.
Yes, yes,
Yeah. If you keep thinking about 10 years or 20 years later, you'll not enjoy this age.
yes, yes.
Yes. And you said only till the age of 10, but what about your teenage? Isn't that a fun time? Because that's filled with a lot of emotions and, you know.
But like, yeah, I went to residential school in my seventh grade, like in my seventh grade. I
Okay.
know in residential school only study, focusing on study only. There is no other than that.
You didn't get time to enjoy.
No, no, I didn't get a single minute to enjoy. Only study, study,
Okay.
study.
Okay. So what are your plans of like, have you ever planned or thought that when you grow old, what will you do? And how do you want to grow old?
Yeah, in my young age, like I have a lot of dreams. Like I don't know, but like in my childhood, like what I'm thinking was in the future, I want to get some job and I want to stand on myself. Like now,
Stand
I
on my
got a
feet.
job. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now I got a job and I have several years of experience. Now what I thought was like I want to build my own startup. I want to create my own startup and create a jobs for some other unemployment's youth. Okay, these thoughts are coming. Like every day, my thoughts are changing.
Okay.
Yeah, based on the
And
age. Yeah.
based on age. Okay. And tell me something. Okay, what was I about to ask you? Yeah, I was about to ask you what is the concept of age for you? Uh, like we
Mhm.
always say that you're too young to do this, you're too old to do that, you're too old to wear that, and all this. You're too
Yeah, yeah.
young to make a decision. So I sometimes disagree to such, such notions. So what do you think about it?
Oh no, like nowadays, like the stereotypes are broken. Suppose if you want to start any startup, like 12 years old kids are to do like started their own startup. There is no particular age, like no, like some graduates, like in the little age only they graduated from high school and they get a like only little bit like in a small age only they completed the graduation and got high packages. Nowadays, like there is no age for anything. Like you can do like in any years we can do whatever you can. But yeah, like for me, concept of age is like we have a like currently in earlier days like lifespan of human is 100 years. Now it is reduced to 70 years like that. Okay,
No, now it is not reduced to 70, 78.
no,
Like,
based on the food and based on weed, like our pollution and yeah,
but we have got really good medical facilities.
yeah, but like no medical like we can't like medical facility be okay. Yeah, like earlier like they work a lot. Nowadays we sit in the system and we don't work a lot. Okay,
Yeah.
taking the taking more medicines also it is hard like it is
Yeah.
harmful for our health.
Yes.
Yeah,
That is
yeah.
true. The
Yeah, yeah,
now,
we have like lifespan is 70 years. Like let me put this way. Lifespan of human is 30 years. In the 30 years, 35 years is sleep. Sleep is like in the nights like it left. Only 35 years left. In the 35 years like in the 35 years like up to 25 means like 15 years we studied 50 up to 15 years. 50 in the lifetime of 35 years Up to 15 years we studied only, like there is no income. Okay, you need to like
Yeah.
there is a 20 years of span. In that 20 years span only, we need to earn for
Yeah.
something. Yeah, we need to achieve anything like we need 20 years only. We
You
have
did a
20
lot of
years.
maths over there.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Okay. And now that you're talking about age, there recently a law which has not yet been passed. It just came to the cabinet that
Yeah.
at the age of 21, girls will get married. I mean, not before the age of 21. Earlier it was 18,
Yes, yeah.
right? So, what are your thoughts about that?
Yeah, it's like it's really good. Like no, nowadays like children's like girls are like getting married at the age of 18. They don't know how to handle the family. They don't know how to raise the kids. They don't know anything about the age of 18. Okay, they didn't get the proper maturity also. Okay, they have a
Also, the
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, like
Also, the
they
good
have.
thing is
Yeah, please, please.
okay, okay, I'll say then you can say. Also, the good thing is that by the age of 18, they only pass class 12. But if
Yeah,
it is 21, they'll get a chance to go to college.
yes, yes.
So that's a good thing.
That's
Yeah,
true.
now
That's
what were
true.
you saying?
I'm saying that one only. Like they don't know anything, any knowledge about they don't know any knowledge about education and anything up to 8. They are having like up to, they are completed the intermediate like class 2 standard only. That's it.
Yeah, that is true. So that's actually a very good thing. And I don't understand there are a lot of people speaking against it.
Yeah, them traditional people were there. Like some culture. Yeah, some people were
Yeah,
there. Really, I don't know why they are thinking like that.
yeah. But it's a good thing, and I hope this law passes.
Yeah.
Anyway, so okay. So, do you think as we grow old, we become more lonely and despair, and we feel we don't really feel good all the time. We don't feel happy as we felt happy as a kid.
Yes, yes, that is true. Like when we becoming older day by day, we are like in our brains, like we put lot of garbage. Yeah,
And we
yeah,
always say there's a child inside you. You must have heard it.
yeah, yeah,
There's a kid inside you. That like it means to say that you are a kid from inside. You
yeah,
are
yeah.
very lively from inside, but from outside, because of all the competition and all the job around,
Yes,
we
yes,
don't feel that. We don't feel like a kid anymore.
yes,
So,
yes.
what do you think? What should one do to keep that child alive within themselves?
Every day, like we need to be always happy. We don't worry about all the things happens around us. We need to focus on what we are doing. Yeah,
Okay,
that
and do you think you keep the child inside you alive?
yeah, yeah. Like I always do whatever like I want, but it is like I don't harm anybody. Like I am always peaceful and I always chilled and I always make fun with my friends and I am always jovial. That makes me happy and that makes them also happy.
Okay. So, which is the age group you miss the most nowadays? You wish you could go back to that time,
What is the age group means like yeah,
or any particular age?
any particular age means like in my intermediate like in plus 2 standard I missed that age. I think around 16 or 16 something.
You must have had a lot of fun during that time.
Yes, yes.
It's for me, it's the college days. Like
Yeah.
I'm still in college, but
Yeah, yeah, good, good.
now that it's lockdown is not lockdown, but Corona is going on, so my college is not open. So I really wish I could go back to that time
Okay.
because I missed out a lot on college.
Which
So
grade you
yeah,
are
it's usually
studying? Which grade you are studying?
sorry.
Which grade you are
Uh,
studying?
I I okay. I'm in third year.
You're doing BTech,
No, BA.
BA. Okay, fine,
Yeah.
great.
Okay. So, which is the age you want to live up to? What is the age you want to live up to?
Means
Till which age do you want to live?
like I want to live up to 100 years.
Up to 100 years. Will you not get bored?
No, I'll not get bored. I want to see
Okay.
the
What will
technical transition of no, like I see a lot of things are happening nowadays, like lot of technological changes and lot of things happening. I want to see, like I want to live 100 years and I want to see all those things.
what are you expecting to see? Flying cars?
Yeah. There is a lot of artificial intelligence is going on right now. In the future, like artificial intelligence, is dominant, like it's dominating the human beings like that.
I really wish there comes a machine where, you see something on the internet and you put your hand inside the screen and you take it out.
Yeah.
I really wish something like that would come up.
In the future,
Anyway,
yeah, a lot of things will come definitely.
yeah. I bet something like this will also come out.
Yeah. What?
Anyway,
Yeah.
the thing I just said. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now should we come to the feedbacks and suggestions?
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay. You said this is your sixth session, right?
No, 11th session.
11th session. Okay, sorry. So till now, your performance was good. You were a good speaker.
Yeah,
I
thank you.
hope you're able to hear me.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. So there was only one problem with the tenses. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So you tend to use the present tense when you're talking about the past. So keep that in
Yeah.
mind. Whenever you talk about the past, you use the past tense. Otherwise, the
Okay.
person you're talking to, the second person, will get confused that if that thing is happening right now in your life or did it already happen. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you won't say, I went to see the movie. Sorry, you won't say, I go to see the movie. Okay. You will say, I went to see the movie.
Okay.
Okay, like that. So always keep in mind when you're talking about the past, use the past tense.
Sure, sure.
And other than that, there are few suggestions that I will give you.
Please.
So one is that for your tenses, do one thing, try to write in English. Okay, write and read.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. The more you write, the more you will understand how sentences are formed and where to use what kind of grammar rule. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. Do you also face problem while writing in English?
No, no. I'm good
No?
at
Okay,
writing.
then I hope you do not make any mistakes while writing.
Yes, yes. I'm good at writing.
Okay. Okay, then that's a great thing. Then you can practice this. Okay. You
Sure.
can write every day 1 to 2 paragraphs about anything about yourself, about your day. You can maintain a diary if you want. Okay.
Yes, yes. I'll do that.
So by that, you will get to know the grammar rules, and when you speak, you won't make any big mistakes.
Yes, yes.
And one thing I say, recommend to all my learners, it is very very vital to read. Okay,
Okay.
do you like reading?
Yes, yes. I like reading.
Because reading is important not only for your overall development in English but also for your personality development.
Yes.
Okay, and if you want, I can suggest you some books as well.
Please suggest me.
Yeah, there's this book, The Kite Runner. Have you heard of it?
Kite runner, no.
It's a very beautiful book, and it has a very beautiful message also. It has an easy flowing language, and I've written that down in the chat box. I hope you're able to see.
Yeah, yeah. The kite runner.
By Khalid Hosseini. Yeah. So you can go for it. It's a beautiful story. You can also go for The Alchemist, which is a very famous book.
Yes, yeah, The Alchemist.
Yeah. I find it a little overrated, but since people like it, you can go for that book as well.
Okay.
And now we have talked about reading, writing, and the other thing is uh, talk to as many people as possible in English. Okay.
Yes, yes.
If you have anyone over there, then well and great, talk to them. If not, then talk to yourself in front of the mirror. Okay.
Okay.
It will help you with confidence building. And your fluency is fine. You can work on it a little bit.
Yes,
And
yes.
okay, these were a few suggestions from my side. You don't have to take these suggestions as a burden. Enjoy learning English whenever you get some time, then you can
Yeah.
practice these. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Anything you want to say or ask?
No, like I don't know, like in the Clappingo there are 143 sessions were there. If
Okay.
I take a 143 sessions I have completed, then it will added one more sessions there. 143 is the last.
Okay. I guess if 143 is in your subscription, then only 143 will be given,
Okay.
right? Yeah. Well, actually, that is not my department, so I don't know much about it. But as far as I know, I'm just a
Yeah.
speaker here. So as far as I know, the number of sessions you are like given in a particular subscription, like those many
Okay, okay.
sessions you will have.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Got
Yeah.
that. Like
If
yeah,
you
I like
want more sessions,
yeah, please, please.
you can take another subscription again or extend this subscription.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I want to continue this
Yeah.
like up to 6 months. Like then I'm going to become a na- speak like a native speaker like that. I want to continue as much as possible.
Okay, okay. Then I hope you can extend this. I don't know if you can extend one subscription or you'll have to take another one, but whatever it is, you can have another subscription after this. Okay. But
Yeah.
I don't think you can add any more sessions to this one.
Okay, okay. That's fine. That's fine. Like I have taken a 1 month subscription here. After that, like, yeah, I'm looking for 3 months subscription or like that. Yeah, it is very nice. Like
Okay, okay.
the Clappingo, it is like it is very nice. I spoke to a lot of
Okay.
speakers. They are really very helpful.
That's really great that you're finding the platform nice.
Yes, yes.
It was really nice talking to you today. Okay.
Yeah,
It was really nice to hear a good feedback.
yeah. Thank you
So
so much.
I hope to see you in further sessions and best of luck for learning English.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Nice talking to you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Good
It
night.
was really
Bye.
nice talking to you too. Okay. Good night.